Philippines!
Good morning! Good morning mga ka-everything! Good morning po guys! Inom din ako ng tubig. Alam nyo naman, alam nyo kagabi giniginaw talaga ako dahil sa walang heater dito. Ay meron man kami pero hindi ko siya inon. And sobrang ginaw. Nanginginig ako sa ginaw so natutulog ako. Sabi ko ibalik ko nga yung ito siya. So binalik ko yung suot ko kasi sabi ko bahala na. Sobrang ginaw. Gusto ko komportable. Anyway, good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan mga ka-everything. And then ngayon is Monday. Finally, uuwi si Tammy today. So hindi ko alam kung ano yung kakainin ko. Ayaw kong mag-bread. Kasi bread ako ng bread, diba? Mag-bread na lang tayo. Pinasok ko pala itong mga plant kagabi. Ito siya. Pinasok ko siya. So tinitignan ko online kung poisonous ba siya? Wala man akong makita kung poisonous kasi hindi ko alam. Guys, alam nyo ba yung pangalan? Nakalimutan ko kasi yung box nito. Tinapon ko kasi so hindi ko alam na kung anong pangalan. Ito yung flower, bulaklak niya. Ito siya. Mag-open ito siya. So, hindi ko alam kung poisonous siya. Tinitignan ko. Nilagay ko lang dito sa loob para hindi siya matay sa labas. Natawa ako kay Roxy guys dahil umupo siya doon. Habang umupo siya, yung back legs niya nag-slide separate like this. Naalala ko tuloy yung time na dinala ko sila dito first time. Sanay sila doon kasi sa isang bahay lahat carpet. I mean sa kitchen hindi carpet. So pagdala ko dito, alam nyo naman itong floor namin, you know, may slide ka. Pusa, sila apat. Nauna yung pusa actually. Si Hal, mahirapan sila, nag-slide sila guys, takbo, chung. Ang pinaka-tawang-tawa kami talaga ni Tami, yung pagdala dito ng dalawang aso. Kasi, naglalakad sila ganun. ganun sila. Kasi, every time na ma-excited sila, lopsyong! Ma-split lang sila ganun. Hindi nila alam kung paano sila maglakad dito. Mga ilang days bago sila nakasanayan. Pero pag magtakbo sila, parang make sure na hindi sila ma-slide. Kasi every time na mag-jump, slide. Kaya nga, takot na takot kami ni Tammy kasi baka maano yung legs nila. Pero okay naman sila that time. Pero naninibago talaga sila guys, as in. Yung floor dito, slide ng slide, nakakatawa talaga. Iwan ko, I don't know if I vlogged that. I did vlog, you know, I was vlogging. I don't know kung naano ba meron yan sa vlog. I don't know. 4 years ago. Pero nakakatawa. Every time na makapunta sila sa upstairs, sa second floor, sayang-saya. Ang sobrang saya nila kasi carpet. So yun, komportable sila doon. Gustong-gusto nila ni Roxy doon sa taas. Yeah. Nagbihis lang ako guys kasi yung sinuot ko kanina ang dami ng buhok. So yun. Naalala nyo ba to? Kay mother-in-law ko. Yep. Pagbaba ko ito yung suot ko. Pagbaba ko itong si Misty. Excited? Hindi siya ganun ka-excited noon. So ngayon, nag-stand siya. Ang una yung sinimot is ito. Sabi ko, oh, you smell grandma. Nilabhan ko ito guys pero I think na ano pa rin nila yung amoy ni Bianan. Yung lips ko kasi nag-start nang maginaw. Yung lips ko nag-start na din sumakit. Last harvest ko na. Pati yung mga maliit pa hinarvest ko guys. Kasi hindi na siya lalaki talaga dahil sa ginaw sa labas. Hindi na siya lumaki. And yun. And then ang dami pa doon. Kasi yung temperature ngayon is sobrang mababa. And then few days from now, 2 days from now, I think 2 or 3 days from now, 80. Balik tayo sa mataas-taas konti. Alam nyo ba kung paano mag-diet ang hindi marunong mag-diet? What? alam nyo ba kung paano? Ito yung, kapag hindi ka marunong mag-diet, ito siya. Gutom ako, kakain tayo ng apple. Pagkatapos itong apple, kakain tayo ng rice. Yun yung gustong mag-diet, pero hindi marunong mag-diet. Kain tayo ng apple, guys. Wala pa si Tammy. It's 2:30 na. And I don't know kung asan siya. ay andun siya kay Ate Claire, kay Andy, sa cousin niya, andun siya. And ngayon, it's time to cook early. Lutuin ko lang itong mga gulay maaga para mamaya yung sausage naman. Kasi sausage yung pinano ko kay Tami. Sabi ko, wala tayong sausage dito. So, magdalhin mo na lang yun dito. Para magluto tayo ng sausage with bell pepper. Hugasan ko lang yan, guys. Yan, dito siya. Hugasan natin. Oh, come here, right here. Nakita niya yung pusa. You wanna go out? Look. Look. You want to go out too? You wanna go out? No. What is it? What is it? Lo. Takot yun. Hi guys, real talk tayo guys. Ito guys ha, naobserbahan ko lang habang nagkakat ako ng ito. Okay? 'Di ba? Green and then white, green and kind of light green na string beans. Real talk. Ito siya stiff. I mean yung matigas. I mean iba siya, look. Yung parang strong. The same day ko sila kinuha doon sa garden. Ito, sobrang lunay. Look, lunay niya, oh. Parang lunay niya, oh, look. Ito, hindi. Yung parang, ang sobrang tigasin, malunay-lunay. Parang soft. Kahit hawakan ko, ito yung matigas, ito yung soft. Hindi ko, wala akong sinabi, pero yun lang yung na-realize ko na parang, ay, may kakaiba sa dalawang color na string beans, di ba? Matigas at saka si malunay-lunay. Ano sa Tagalog yung malunay? Limping-limping. Kaloka nito eh. Get out of there. That's not your that's not your office. That's Hubsy Bug's office and Dimple Lurch and Dada. You know you're not allowed to go there. And Dada is coming, so I don't know. I guess you have to wait for your Dindin. You know he's coming home tonight. And I don't know, he's gonna get some turkey. He buys some turkey on the store to go out there. Yeah, he's coming. He's almost there. Where is he? Who's excited to see your dada? Are you excited? Huh? I know you love your dada. And you know who's coming with dada? Turkey, sausage. And he's gonna go that way. You know that? Daddy is going in that way. Not going in this way, that way. And Dada is super, super happy to go upstairs. I know. I know we're gonna go up soon. I don't even know why, but we have to go up. Okay, I'm gonna call Dada soon. Yes, you are. Why? Oh. So, this is our gulay. Our gulay, gulay, gulay. Who's starving? My little boy starving. Oh my goodness. My baby boy is starving. Whose baby are starving? Come here, dear. Dear alert. Hubs. Turkey. Ham. Yes, it's ham for you, baby. It's ham. Oh, yeah. It's ham, baby, look. May nag-alert. Yung weather, nag-alert na bukas, 4 o'clock in the morning until 8. Freezing. It's 34 degree. It's froze. Like froze. Mag-froze. So, ngayon, nag-alala ako sa tomato ko kasi yun na lang yun. And then, yun na lang yung problema ko, tomato. Nag-change na yung ibang dahon, guys. Fall na, look. Patungo na siyang fall. Nag-red na yung mga dahon. Tingnan nyo. Ito, at saka yung sa bundok. Doon, nag-change na yung mga dahon kaya. Hi. I miss you, Wapo. Hoy. Oh. Oh my God, this is a lot. Honey. Huh?
Hi, big girl. Hi, big girl. How's your leg? How's your leg? Do you feel better?
She's fine.
Your leg better?
She's fine.
Hi, good girl.
Lala, Misty, you are the next one to be crippled.
I know. Thank you for kisses. Thank you both of you.
Attention na, guys, I'm using my phone. There? Oh, I cannot open it. So, I guess I'm gonna go downstairs and put all this bread.
You want to see how cookies don't forget what?
Ang dami, galing Costco. Masisira man ito, oy. I'm going to put some in the, ano. He knows it.
Hello. Your timing is unbelievable. I'm just walking in the door from the garage. Here it comes. So all my bubble wrap didn't help at all.
Look, turkey. Ay, hindi pala ito naka-freezer. Ilagay ko to sa freezer. Itong dalawa. And, ito is i-defrost ko. Kasi, lutuin ko. And then, ito is salmon. Lutuin ko to bukas. Salmon. Never been in the freezer.
I don't know if you have to put it in the refrigerator.
We have one here.
Put it in the refrigerator downstairs, we'll leave a date on it. I think it's November or something, right?
It's okay.
I'll just tell you.
Yun guys, he is busy already. The first thing he does is playing with his toys. That's his toys. Look at him.
If they work, it's still I don't know that these may be too big for that unit to see. I don't know.
Guys, hindi ko talaga alam kung anong ginagawa niya. He's talking but I don't really understand.
I know.
Kisses, Dada. I don't know what she want, hon.
She wants me to pay attention to her.
And also your son is crying.
I know, I hear him too. We're actually gonna let me do this.
Bumili si Tami ng clementines na naman, guys, ang dami. Usually, we always throw out clementines. Always. And now he put another one.
Hey, half the bag already.
You're right. You see that half the bag?
Look at that bag. That's a Costco bag.
Half
So
a bag.
that's a Costco bag. So you tell me. And they're pretty sweet. It's good, right? Now I gotta look. I gotta put all these in there and put
For a what?
a laptop and a cable.
Where?
And see if the unit even recognizes them.
Why you change everything in that drive, in that machine there?
Well, these are bigger.
Okay, so what's happening in the TV, in the shoes?
It has nothing to do with the one in the shows. This is not the TV show. Ultimately, it will be if it recognizes these. I'll put all TV shows onto this. Oh, we're not starting that crap now. Not starting that crap.
Give me a kiss first before you can put that together.
You put in. It doesn't want to go in.
You.
It freaking wants to aggravate
He's always aggravating with everything. Pasensya na guys ha, ngayong araw, itong vlog na to, wala masyadong ganap. Ito yung kinabuhi ko dito. Naghintay lang ako kay Tami kasi ang tagal-tagal ni Tami umabot dito sa bahay. And then pag umabot na siya, ang ginawa niya is first thing he does is computer shit. He does this thing and that thing. You do that? Why you do that?
I'm gonna see if I can make it up. Run.
Why you do that?
Got it?
Gonna eat? You gonna eat?
Yeah.
Look sa talaga. May cake dito dong. Naghintay sa'yo dong. Itapon ko na to eh. Nag-mold na oh. And I will have some of the sauce. That's it and the vegetables. I'm in diet, hon.
No, hon, have a freaking
No,
pork.
I'm in
Are you
diet.
kidding? Yeah, no, hon.
Yeah, I'm diet, honey.
Take one. I'm telling you.
I'm in diet. I'm telling you.
I'm gonna put it in the dish anyway.
I'm in diet. It's all bones, Tommy.
Okay. You that, you have a sandwich.
You know what, honey?
You know what, honey?
Oh, you have to clean this thing. I cannot reach.
Well, you shouldn't mess it up.
Tignan nito, guys. You miss a lot and then I clean it. This time I need you to clean it. You know why? I'm too short for this.
Get you really high heels.
High heels, ha? Is the pasta okay with you or you want more? Si Tami ay gusto niyo makita kung anong ginagawa niya. Ang daming look, oh, may wire na ko dito. Pinad. Oh, start beeping now upstairs. Yun yung machine niya dyan. Are you ready to come in? Or not yet? Not yet? Come in. Come. Where's this thing? Kain lang kami, guys. Ininit ko lang yung mga pagkain namin. Tignan nyo, pag andito si Tami, lahat ng ilaw sa bahay naka-on. Naka-on. Yung office on. Roxy, get out in the office. You're not allowed over here. It's already 8:30 and hindi pa si Tami tapos sa ginagawa niya. And nanonood kami ng news. Hindi ko alam talaga kung kailan ito matatapos. Akala ko manonood kami ng Lost na show. So I guess not. And nanonood na lang kami ng news. Di ba ba? What's in there? Look, sobrang noisy, oh. What's in there, bag?
It's a great rewarding feeling. Everybody in the they have effort and respect, not for the veteran, but make this company succeed.
Why should you switch to Pure Talk?
I love you. You're not done. Han, hurry up. Okay guys, I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, it's nothing going on and he's still busy. All the time he's here guys. My center table is a mess. He need his office, you know.
Drew, heard you've been auditing your business expenses.
Yeah,
could.
my internet and phone bill.
No internet. Okay, I'm gonna end.
Is there really no internet?
No, there is. Did you see that? There is internet. Try to run another thing if it's running. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I-end ko na to guys kasi good night. Good night guys. Anyway, good night guys. Bye.
12 o'clock midnight.
Replacement to the sitting president, who is Donald